A species that flew alongside the woolly mammoth is coming back. The California condor once ruled the skies of North America, a giant from the Pleistocene era whose wings carried stories older than memory. Today, they're one of the rarest birds on the planet. Yet, hope rises once more, carried on the wings of indigenous leadership, science, and a shared resolve to return this dark and ancient bird to the world it once knew.